charge it. We have to rescue a little dog, a hush puppy. Be careful. Whoa!
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Be careful, you can't fall.
And be careful for the soil.
Yes, soil. Don't get that fruits. They are poisonous. Be warning of something. It might be something out there. He's not a duck.
Whoa, whoa! Look, this trap.
Be careful, you can.
It's nice. Whoa, whoa!
Be careful.
Look. Be careful.
There's nothing there.
Another dog.
I thought that it was a dog. Where is the Snoopy dog? Well, not the Snoopy.
Where is that one?
The hush puppy. Let's get again to here. Oh God, I think we're gonna wake up soon. We're gonna surround this.
My backpack.
Your backpack? Do you pack food? Food? Water?
Yes.
Okay.
My backpack.
Be careful. You might be dead.
Yes.
Be careful. Be careful with these things.
What is it?
Whoa!
Wow.
Oh God. This is very dangerous out here.
Whoa.
It looks like a small urbanization,
Look.
but it is not. Let's go. Oh God.
He's an animal.
Whoa!
Terrible.
Yeah, it's terrible. Look at little games.
I have one nut in my back.
Let's go.
Let's go to here or that?
Here. Let's go. There was it. Let's go.
It's terrible. Come on.
Be careful, it might be something.
Nothing.
Yes.
I going to see the map. So I want to take the map. Ship.
Be careful. It might be something out there.
Something that.
Let's get. You have to be careful. It's not time for seeing the map. Oh God. You hear something?
Yes.
Be careful.
I to burn the mouth and put
There might be something.
something that
Silence.
is good to be here.
No, there's nothing. Now we can go in peace. Well, that was all for this video. In this video I make a mission of rescuing the hush puppy. So I hope you enjoy it, and I do this video because I have nothing to do. But this is a normal video.